ancient cannonball tree. So let's begin. It's called as cannonball tree because the fruits are like a ball. Hence, it is called as cannonball tree. It is called Nagalinga Pushpa, Nagasekar and Topagola in Hindi. This tree is of cultural and religious importance in India. The hooded flowers look like Naga, and so this tree is grown in Shiva temples in India. It is also found in Buddhist temples in Asia. Cannonball trees are usually humongous trees. They are a type of deciduous trees native to the tropical forest of Central and South America. Its scientific name is Corophyta chinensis. The pink colored flowers are very beautiful. A tree can have 1,000 flowers at a time. It is planted as an ornamental for its scented flowers and medicinal value. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.